you're doing them a disservice, and you're certainly doing you and your business a disservice. And I want to talk to you today about your most precious asset. And I remember 1,000 years ago, I was reading some books on some big Fortune 100 conglomerates, and there were several in particular that sort of ranked their employees as A's. Those were the guys that were the future leaders of these big conglomerates. B's, people that they were going to dedicate and devote a lot of training to see if they can make them a B plus or an A. And then C's, people that they were going to turn over every year and keep churning them. So employees were lumped into categories, A's, B's, and C's. We have a fundamental belief here at American Management Service, but that if an employee works for you and somewhere along the line you hired that person is an A. Whether they're performing at an A level is on you. Are they in the right position? Have they been trained properly? Have they been retrained properly? Have they been mentored, guided, and taught what is truly necessary from them in their functional role? You hired them, they're an A. My belief all the time is that good people, solid people, good quality individuals want opportunity. They want to be taught how to do more. They want to do more. They want to take on responsibility because they want to be part of something that is extraordinary. If you are lumping your people into categories, A's, B's, and C's, you're doing them a disservice, and you're certainly doing you and your business a disservice. So look at how you recruit people. Look at how you hire them. Look at how you onboard them. Look at how you train them, retrain, train, retrain. It can't be enough. It cannot be enough, okay? They work for you for a reason. They are all A's. All of your employees are A's, okay? If you're not sure what I'm talking about, please give me a call. Hit me up anytime.